Hi friends and family, over here with Happy Packing. Got my guys out here, we're doing a 5-star move. My buddy Colin, crew chief. We got Jimmy, we got Mark. That's a $3,000 TV. Watch your backside, guys. Looking good, looking good.
Family room?
Yeah, family room. Just stage it. Make sure it's out of the way of everything. I don't want anything touching that TV. Thank you.
Yep.
That's how we handle our stuff. Everything gets padded. Everything gets shrink wrapped. Nothing's left to chance. This is a table that's about 300 pounds. It's padded, cardboard, and shrink wrapped. We're going to get this in there in the family room. Say hi to everyone on Facebook land, Ken. What's up? All right. We're going to get this table in. Let's get this table in, guys. Nice and easy. Willie, go ahead and guide them in, will you please? Thank you, sir. Right into the family room, guys. We have the legs in here already. The hardware's over here. We're good to go.
The legs over there. Long ways.
They're on
Look at the legs. Mark, can you grab those legs over there, man?
I don't know where they put them.
Put them over there.
under that window back there.
Strap everything. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a couple pads, Ken, and I'm gonna crumple them up over here on each end. That way, get our hands in it. We can just set the legs up, and we can just flip it without 3 or 4 guys.
Okay.
We'll manhandle it.
It's a heavy table.
Yeah. Mark, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a couple pads and just crumple them up under the table, and just flip it upside down that way, because it's just too heavy, huh?
You go ahead and open this up?
Yeah. Please, thank you. Get another pad over here, Mark.
All right.
And then we're gonna take care of it. Hold up 1 second, Ken. Don't go any further than that. We'll get this strap off here. Let's get this strap off over here. Yeah, go from this side. Yes, sir. It's one safety knot in the pull string. Nice. So what we're gonna do, Colin, is we're gonna have one guy there, one guy here, tilt it up, edge it back this way. I'll pull these 2 bars right here, and then we'll just flip it back onto his face on 2 pads, and then we'll set it up with the legs. We'll be able to get our hands underneath it. What's that?
The leg.
Oh, we're not worried about it right now. Right now, let's get another blanket over here. Keep that crumpled up, because we want to be able to get our hands underneath it. Yeah. Just turn it into a ball. I'll get you another pad.
I got a hollow one here.
That'll work. Shove that right in there.
Not as puffy as a commercial. But
So what we want to do, Mark, is we want to edge the table back that way, so we can pull these 2 bars right here. So just, yeah, lift up your end and bring a table over this way. Yep, good deal. All right, let's pull the pins on these bars, Ken. You pull from the bottom up on the cotter pin. You got the table, right, Kyle?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
People know that the free Shih Tzu person rug for anyone who wants it.
Okay, yeah. There's a free Shih Tzu rug for anyone that wants it.
Yeah, if you like the smell of a nice Shih Tzu blend of urine, that's the one for you.
That's all you.
Nice.
hardware.
Cool. All right, let's lay it down. 1, 2, and 3. Straight down. Don't hurt yourself, please. All right. Grab that dolly behind you, Ken. Just pull them out. Perfect. That's money. Good job, guys. All right, friends and family, I have to get back to work. God bless. We'll talk to you soon. Peace out. Okay.